Hi, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to do an ICord. There's a few different ways to do ICords, but I will show you the easiest way. But with this method you have to find the center of the yarn because we are working with both ends of the yarn. We begin with a slip knot. So make a loop with your yarn and take the yarn behind the loop, then grab it from the middle with your hook and pull. So now you have the bottom and the top. First you take the bottom yarn and take up over your needle, over your hook, and then you take your top yarn over the hook. Then you pull this last loop through both the other two. Alright? So now you repeat. You take your bottom one around the hook, and then you take the top one from the other way around the hook, and then you pull this one through the other two. Alright? That's just how we do it. First this one over the needle, over the hook, and then you take this top one over the hook, and then you pull through both loops. And that's just how we do it. Over and over, pull through. Over, over, pull through. So it's actually quite easy. And you see it's getting a bit square, the result. And it works up pretty fast. When you continue for a bit, you have your ICord. Of course, I'm using a thick yarn today to show you because it's a lot clearer, but you can also use thinner yarn, just use the hook that goes with it. So that's it, that's how you do an ICord. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!